Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't been around with this video. I have a lot of these videos in my phone. I haven't been able to edit them and all of that just to post. Guys, so many things have been happening, but I thank God everything is fine now. So let's get straight into the video. I'm going to link a video up on how I did this backup method. Please click that video to watch. First of all, you have to clean your skin, clean your client's skin or your own skin after doing the backup method, because we use makeup to blend it with the skin, especially if you don't have the cap that blends with your skin color. So right now I'm just cutting off part of the lace, not the entire lace, and then I will use 3 layers of Bold Hold Active. So if you are in China and you need this same glue, you can inbox me on WeChat with the ID Stacy Benz. All my handles are Stacy Benz. So if you want to contact me for any wig or anything in China, use Stacy Benz on IG and WeChat. Okay, so like I said, I'm using 3 layers of Ghost Bond, and then sometimes I don't leave it dry. I just leave it like that, and then I'll let it dry before I tie the elastic band. What I mean by leaving the glue dry is letting the glue dry clear, like it becomes clear. I don't let that dry clear, because sometimes when it's dry clear, it makes the lace lift. So I make sure I only dry it with a hand dryer before using my elastic band to tie it down. So right now I'm cutting the extra lace from her ear part. Actually, she got this wig from a man on WeChat called Tommy. He had a sales or something like that, so I think she got it for a very affordable price anyways. So she came to me for me to actually transform it. So using my hand dryer, it will help the glue to dry clear. You can see it's still a little bit white, but we could work with it. So I'm going to use now my hot comb and comb the hair behind, then use my elastic band. Make sure you use the elastic band only when you see that the glue is dry clear. So using my hot comb again, I'm going to part the hair. She wanted a middle part, so I'm going to use this hot comb to part it with my, how do they call it, with my wax stick. This wax stick will help your hair from flying away, like this short hair on your wigs, so it will just help it to not fly. So I will part the middle part, and then boom, you can see, you guys, it has melted. So I'll go ahead and use my razor and cut off the extra lace, and then take out the baby hairs. So right now I'm taking out the baby hairs, and then I will use my hot comb again to comb it forward so that I can work with it better. Then I'll use my razor again to cut the baby hairs, and then I'll just try a new method which I saw on YouTube. I don't know wherever I saw it. Yeah, you guys remember this curly method, right? So I'm going to use this. I'm just going to do my baby hair in this manner. So you guys, I don't know how to explain this, but just do your baby hair the way you like it. This is how this is the method I tried today, and it came out looking nice. So you guys keep on watching. I always use Got2b gel to do baby hairs, because most often the clients don't know how to maintain it. So with the Got2b gel, it can last a little bit longer and it doesn't flake. So, and then I use my hand dryer to dry it off. And then the next thing I did was to curl her wig. So you guys have been asking me how I get this wavy kind of curls. This is exactly how I do it. So I always curl it in different directions so that the hair can be bulky. Like if I'm curling going to the left on this side, I'll curl go to the right. So in front, make sure you are curling to the back, curling towards the back, and then behind you can curl any direction, but make sure you curl the front part towards the back. You can see this one now, it's the front. I'm going to curl it towards the back. So I'm just going to let you guys see what I'm doing right now. You curl towards the you curl in the front part towards the back, and then the back part you curl it in different direction, back front, but the front, make sure you curl it towards the back. This method always makes the wig look as if it's so full. So you guys, this is exactly how I curl my wig. So you can, if you know, if you still want me to do like a detailed video, because I think this is detailed enough, when you curl it like that, you always use your got-to-be spray or any holding spray to hold it tight so that the curls should last. But unfortunately, this hair wasn't like the best quality, so the curls died after like 10 minutes after she left. So if you want to have maybe like those nice looking Hollywood kind of situations, get good quality hair. And guys, yes, I haven't been around because of so many things, which I made a video before. I really don't know what's happening, but I know everything is fine right now. And yeah guys, so this is how it looks. I took off the elastic band. Look how beautiful she is. So when you are done doing your hair, always try to go back and do some little touches here and there. Yeah, I did everything, and look how gorgeous she became. Like I said, this wig is from someone on WeChat, and it came straight. I am the one who actually curled it, and yeah, look how the waves how the curls came out. Like it came out very wavy, and yeah, I think I love it, and I think she likes it too. Enjoy your hair, girl. Thank you so much, you guys. Please check my other videos on at the top right hand of this corner, or check my other videos. There's a playlist on my channel called Wig Install 101. You can check those playlists, and also let me know what you want to see next. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye.